Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to calculate total work hours minus lunch or break time in Excel using a simple formula. Here I have the data with 6 columns: date, login time, lunch break start, lunch break end, logout time, and working hours. In the first cell of the working hours column, write this formula equals E2 minus B2 minus D2 minus C2. Let me explain it briefly. E2 minus B2 calculates the total time between login and logout. D2 minus C2 calculates the lunch or break duration. When we subtract the break time from the total time, we get the actual working hours. After pressing enter, you may see a value like 0.36. This is because Excel stores time as decimals. To fix this, select all the working hours cells, right-click and choose Format Cells. Go to the Time category, select 1330, and click OK. Now the working hours will be displayed properly. Finally, drag the formula down from the bottom right corner of the cell to calculate working hours for all rows. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.